Today we will study third and last method of valuation of goodwill, that is capitalization method. Capitalization method can be solved by two ways, by using average profit method and by using super profit method. In order to solve by average profit method, we need to calculate the total capitalized value of the firm. So look at the formula. Total capitalized value of the firm is equal to average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal weight of return. Okay, here normal weight of return is same as we use in super profit method. Now value of goodwill, that is total capitalized value of the firm minus net asset. Look at the example. A firm earns rupees 80,000 as its average profit. The normal weight of return is 10%. Net asset of the firm is rupees 6 lakh. Find the value of goodwill by capitalization method. Here average profit, normal weight of return and net asset is already given. We simply put in the formula to find out the value of goodwill. Look at the solution. Total capitalized value of the firm is equal to average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal weight of return. Average profit is 80,000 and normal weight of return is 10%. So 80,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 10, we will get rupees 8 lakh, which is total capitalized value of the firm. Now value of goodwill, that is total capitalized value of the firm minus net asset. Total capitalized value is rupees 8 lakh and net asset is rupees 6 lakh, which is already given in the sums. So 8 lakh minus 6 lakh is equal to 2 lakh, which is our value of goodwill. Hope you all understand this. Now we will solve another problem by using super profit method. In this, the value of goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by normal weight of return. That means we simply replace average profit by super profit and remaining from formula will remain the same. Now look at the sums. Average profit of Y Limited is rupees 60,000. Capital employed is rupees 3 lakh. Normal weight of return is 10%. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of capitalization of super profit method. Okay, here average profit is given, capital employed is given and normal weight of return is given. Look at the solution. First look at the formula. Value of goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by normal weight of return. That means to find the value of goodwill, first we need to find out the super profit. And super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. So we also need to calculate normal profit first. Look at the solution. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into 10 by 100. Capital employed is rupees 3 lakh and 10 by 100 is your normal weight of return. So we will get rupees 30,000 as our normal profit. Now super profit, which is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is rupees 60,000, which is already given in the sums, and normal profit is rupees 30,000, which we calculate just now. So super profit is 30,000. Now value of goodwill, that is super profit into 100 divided by normal weight of return. Super profit is 30,000 and normal weight of return is 10%. So we will get rupees 3 lakh as our value of goodwill. Today we complete all the three methods of valuation of goodwill, that is average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method.
If you like this video, please click subscribe to watch more such videos. Thanks for watching.